In this video, we're going to show you how to break large tasks into focused Claude sessions. When working with AI tools like Claude, it's tempting to put an entire project into a single conversation and expect the best possible result. However, large tasks often contain many moving parts, different goals, and multiple stages of work. As a result, conversations can become cluttered, instructions may get mixed together, and the quality of the output can sometimes decrease as the scope of the task grows. A much more effective approach is to divide large projects into smaller, focused sessions. This allows Claude to concentrate on one specific objective at a time and often produces more accurate, organized, and higher quality results. Whether you're writing articles, creating YouTube content, conducting research, building a business plan, or working on a complex project, breaking the work into separate sessions can save time and improve consistency. The good news is that creating focused Claude sessions is simple and only requires a basic workflow adjustment. By the end of this video, you'll learn an easy method to organize large projects into manageable AI conversations. So, let's get started. The first method is to divide the project into separate stages. Instead of asking Claude to complete an entire project in one prompt, identify the major parts of the task. For example, if you're creating a YouTube video, one session could focus on topic research, another on outlining the content, and another on writing the final script. Keeping each conversation focused on a single objective helps Claude produce more targeted and useful results. Once one stage is complete, start a new session for the next stage of the project. If needed, copy important information from the previous session into the new one, so Claude has the necessary context. This helps keep conversations organized and prevents information overload. In most situations, this simple approach is all you need. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, break your large project into smaller stages or objectives. Second, create a separate Claude session for each stage of the workflow. And third, transfer only the important information needed for the next step. Remember that focused sessions help reduce confusion and allow Claude to concentrate on a specific task at a time. Smaller conversations are often easier to manage, review, and refine compared to one extremely long discussion. This approach can also make it easier to identify mistakes, improve quality, and maintain consistency across larger projects. Many experienced AI users rely on structured workflows because they help produce better results while keeping projects organized. Taking a few extra minutes to plan your sessions can save a significant amount of time during the actual creation process. And that's how to break large tasks into focused Claude sessions. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who use Claude and other AI tools. Your support helps us create more tutorials, productivity guides, and practical AI workflows to help you get better results from your projects. If there's another Claude feature or AI workflow you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.